Welcome to my channel. This is Take Back Your Throne, and I am Tondale. Now today, we are going to be taking back spaces and creating spaces that are sacred spaces. Now this is my sacred space, although I have a lot of other sacred spaces in my apartment, but this is one space that I just adore. Like sometimes I'll just be sitting over there, because the couch is over there, and I'll just be sitting just looking at it because it just makes me happy. And today I want you to be happy in your space. So I'm gonna show you how you can make a space like my sanctuary. While I was meditating, I was slowing. And a lot of things that I've been writing and manifesting just about creating beautiful spaces, and I also beautify bodies too, but we'll get into that. As far as sewing, it's so clear, and then I remember waking up and they were really just beautiful paper flower, and I'm just like, wait, this was not here before, so where did it come from, you know? So I take that as a sign from spirit, just to be like, listen, take your skill and be able to do this, create that sanctuary, and then see what else it would turn into. Found in my little book of manifestations. I've written this down actually a few days after my birthday. I just fleshed out different steps. So first of all, we're gonna get into therapy. If you want to create a sanctuary, what do you want to focus on being healed? So for example, if you want to focus on the root chakra, which is actually really important and essential for right now. This who is a phenomenal healer, just amazing. She was talking about how the immune system is linked to the root chakra. And I will get into that into my next video. But for example, focusing on the root chakra energy, that's being grounded, stability, that deals with your finances, just, you know, everything as far as like security in your life. And I know that is literally shaking up a lot of people right now. I am not working because I work in a school and schools are closed, but it's okay because I am staying grounded in this moment, and this space is allowing me to stay grounded. If you want to focus on your root chakra, for example, the homes are red, and you think about a lot of crystals, they're red or black, like this beautiful, lovely crystal, black tourmaline. It's like an energy bodyguard. Literally, this crystal, I take it with me in my bag. I have a headache or I just feel just like, I don't feel like I'm in a very positive or, you know, the space that I want to be in. I meditate with this crystal just brings me right back on track. And it's like whatever thought, that energy that tried to come for me, you know, to bring me down, like this just eradicates it. So I really love this crystal. What would your sanctuary be used for? Do you want this to be a space, first of all, do you want this to be a space where it's just for you, or do you want this to be a space that changes for other people to come? You have to decide that. Do you want this space to be a space where you solely meditate in? Do you want this to be a space where you can even open it up for yoga or whatever exercise? Do you want this to be a space where you journal in? You say your affirmations, you sing, you chant, you dance, whatever you need to do, you know, to feel like this is my piece of paradise. Now for me, I have my lovely, I'm gonna get into it in the next video, and I have a lot of books. My mic that's also attached on. I actually like to read in this space. I also have my sketchbook, which is over there. I love to sketch in this space. It's very inspiring, creative space. Of course, I meditate. I do affirmations. I chant. This is a space where I can be Tondalea. I can just go Handy, whichever one I want to be. If this is just a sacred altar space. Now I have an altar in my room. You can call this an altar as well. I pour my libations, so it already has a very sacred energy. And even when people come in, they're just like drawn to it, and they just feel a very, like sacred, grounded energy. It, of course, shows all the elements. So, of course, earth, which is all around us. I have fire, my lovely candle, open path candle, which I love, and it's green. Also, I have my incense as well, and a little Palo Santo. I also have this beautiful lady that I got from a thrift store called Decor Breakdown in New York, and I can put resins in it. I haven't actually used it yet, but I'm very excited to air, incense air to the embodiment of meditation. That breath is air, and ether crystals. So I do have all the elements, and I really love just for all the elements to be centered in the space. But you don't have to do that. It's your space. It could be whatever you want. And I must say, I am a very intuitive being. I go by my intuition, and when that happens, I don't have to think about it. I don't have to stress about it. It just flows. It just comes together. So whatever you have in your space, just let it flow. Just let it be fluid. Okay, so design and style. Now, again, some of these things that are in this space, like the pillows and this one. I'm not really sure what you call these, but I love them. Handcrafted in India from Ross, Dosley. If you were a Marshalls, TJ Maxx, AJ Wright, Ross Baby, I grew up like that. So I'm always in that store, even though I really shouldn't be. But I needed a nice little table. Perfect. The space was very earthy tones at first. Wood, browns, greens, and then I just popped different colors in there, and it just kind of flowed. So again, based off of your needs, the colors you want, you can choose. You decide what you want it to be. Color therapy. So based off of different colors, like say for example, if you want to focus more on your creative energy, right? That is associated with the sacral chakra, the sacral chakra. And that energy is a warm tone. That is a orange tone. If you also want to focus on the solar plexus, right? Which has to do with your vitality, I want to say your strength and your ambition, determination, right? That is yellow. So I have a little yellow in here, and of course green, your heart chakra. There's a lot of love in the space. Blues, expression, which is also associated with your throat chakra. Yeah, so that's kind of, the space is full of love, grounding energy, a little kick of ambition, determination, expression. That's the type of energy that I want. Well, I should say that's the type of energy that chose to be in the space. So you can do this in either two ways. You can just let it flow and just let, your heart guide you. You can let spirit guide you, your ancestors, God, whatever you believe in, divine power, force. You can let that guide you, on what you need clarity on in this kind of space, what you need to invoke. Or you can just simply go right now, I am so stressed. I just need a place to be. That's just the energy of the space. So it's just based off of your intention and what you want the energy to be. And also as far as style and design, this is up to you. Rugs, couches, pillows, whatever furniture, vases, that's up to you. But I have a lot of vases because, know, as a gardener, and I also buy flowers, and just the flowers that I get from the garden, I like to put it around the house for the ambiance. So I kind of shift and move things, and even, you know, you'll see me move things, you'll see things be here 1 minute and things get moved around. And that's the beauty of it. One day it might just be, I just really just need to like feel really grounded. One day I might want to be more inspired, so I might change out the color, or I might switch out something, or put something that reminds me of what I need at that moment. This rug, I got this rug from Ross. These pillows, my friend, I know she got it from Ross, and they were already here. And this lovely pillow is my aunt who transitioned. She transitioned peace, and I love this little pillow. So I'm glad I have it in her honor. And a lot of the statues, my sis had these already, but I got this lovely wicker chair from the thrift store and these lovely pots, which I definitely want to put some suckers in. I got these from the thrift store, and yeah, they were actually supposed to be teapots, but they actually broke in the process. But it's okay, because I'm gonna glue it back and I'm just gonna repurpose it and repurpose it. If you have, I don't know, like if you have a pillow that you've been wanting, switch it out for another one, you know, repurpose the pillow. If you have some table that, you know, you've been looking at, you don't really like it, you have paint, this is the perfect time to just repurpose the table. You know, even just a rug. Just move, literally this day started, it was just the plant. I put this rug here and the pillow. And then I started to shift things around, and I got stuff like these lovely little glass bottles. I got Dollar Store, Dollar Tree. Don't sleep on Dollar Tree. Candles back home. This lovely incense holder, my sis actually got it from she went to Panama. And I got this. I didn't really realize what it was at first, but it's for your books. And I got this at the thrift store. Don't mind me losing my mic once again. Oh, and these, I love them. When I was at a farmer's market, I went to like a little card shop, and they had these beautiful posters, and I'm just like, this is so nice. So it's really about what you want and what style you want. And I would say definitely just flow with the space and what the space wants to be, wherever it is, whatever corner, nook and cranny in your home. But definitely kind of like write stuff down, flesh it out, because if you don't, then you'll just like put things, and I don't want you to get stressed out about making space. Like kind of set your mind and intention how to visualize what you want the space to be. And once you do that, you visualize it, set that intention, then everything will just come and flow. See, I did that, and before I even realized what I was doing, that visualization was already happening, manifesting through that meditation that I did. And then it just kind of flowed. So yeah, you want to do that. You don't want to get stressed out by like moving stuff here and doing that here. Like literally before I recorded this, I had to switch things around a little bit, but I had to like kind of take a step back. Like, okay, I'm not going to sit here and waste all this time and then lose beautiful lighting. I'm sitting here trying to figure out how to, you know, don't stress yourself out. It's supposed to be a stress-free. So, okay? Sound, vibration. I do have a chime, and I have some cha-chas, which I will be introing in these videos, so look out for that. But yeah, that, especially right now, because we need to elevate and raise the energy collectively, you know? Because it just, even your immune system, we're talking about strengthening your immune system and your energy. You gotta keep that vitality high up. And you can do that with sound, vibration, and even just the vibration of your space. So keep that in mind. It's really important. So last thing, not really last thing, things that have a symbolism and significance in your life. If it's a rock or a crystal or something, you know, that a family member gave you that transition or path, or just a reminder, you know, like you need to put that in your space. because even when, you know, you feel stressed out and you get overwhelmed or anxious and you have this medallion or symbolic item or just something that's very sacred and close to your heart and your soul, spirit too, it will just make you feel good. You know, this is really about feeling good right now because we need that. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, please subscribe.